Have you ever thought about how your diet could be the key to unlocking better kidney health? What if there are specific foods that could drastically improve your kidney function? In today's video, we are delving into a topic that affects millions worldwide: kidney health. Our kidneys are crucial for filtering waste and maintaining overall health, but they are often neglected in our daily diets. So what are these magical foods that could make such a significant difference in kidney health? Or how can they prevent or even reverse kidney damage? Garlic. Have you ever considered that a simple kitchen staple like garlic could be your kidney's best friend? Garlic contains various bioactive compounds such as allicin, which exhibit antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties may contribute to the improvement of overall kidney health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Additionally, garlic has been associated with lowering blood pressure, which is crucial for kidney function, as it helps maintain proper blood flow to the kidneys. Incorporating garlic into your meals for optimal kidney health is both simple and delicious. The best way to maximize its benefit is by consuming it raw or lightly cooked. A proper and effective method is to mash fresh garlic and let it set for a few minutes before adding it to your dishes. This resting period activates the allicin, enhancing its potency. Onions. Onions are rich sulfur compound are more than just a flavor enhancer. They are a powerhouse in supporting kidney function and overall health. Sulfur compounds in onion, responsible for their sharp taste and strong aroma, are key players in detoxifying the kidneys. They help in flushing out toxins, acting as natural diuretics, reducing the burden of your kidneys. This detoxifying effect is crucial in maintaining healthy kidneys. Seriously, onions are one of those foods you should always keep in your kitchen. Onion also boosts impressive anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can be a significant concern for those with kidney issues, and the natural compounds found in onions help to alleviate this. To maximize the benefits of onion for your kidney, it's best to consume them raw. Raw onions retain more of their sulfur compounds compared to when they are cooked. Beetroot. This vibrant and earthy vegetable holds a special place in the realm of kidney health. Its deep red color not only adds a visual appeal to your meal but also signifies its richness in essential nutrients. Beetroot is particularly renowned for its high nitrate content, which the body converts into nitric acid. This compound plays a crucial role in maintaining blood vessels health and regulating blood pressure, which is vital for kidney health. But how can you make the most of beetroot's benefits of your kidneys? The kidney is in how you prepare and consume it. Eating beetroot raw or juicing it is an excellent way to preserve its nutrients. Carrots. Those vibrant, crunchy vegetables are not just for improving vision, they also incredibly beneficial for kidney health. Carrots are rich in antioxidants, particularly beta-carotene, which gives them their bright orange color. These antioxidants play a crucial role in reducing oxidative stress in the kidneys, which is vital for maintaining healthy kidney function. A study suggested that food rich in beta-carotene like carrots are associated with a lower risk of chronic kidney disease. This is significant because chronic kidney disease often stems from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. However, it's important to note that carrots have a medium-high potassium. While potassium is essential for health, it's crucial for those with kidney issues. To monitor their intake to maximize the benefits of carrot for your kidney health, consider incorporating them into your diet in moderation. You can enjoy them raw or as a snack. Grate them into salads for extra crunch. Flax seeds. This little game is so much more than just a seed. It's a superfood for your kidneys that deserve for more attention. When it comes to boosting kidney health, flax seeds are like little superheroes. They are not only linked to improve kidney function and reduce inflammation, but they are also a top-notch source of plant sterols. These natural compounds are fantastic at lowering blood cholesterol levels. Flaxseed also contain fiber, which can aid in promoting digestive health and managing weight factors that incredibly impact kidney function. Have you chosen any of these food options mentioned above? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, then then hit that like button and subscribe Fruits and Veggies.